Uwi Rangbah ublasan post Snem kerta ula du no ila kejingim hadian bula sya Tynrah hakawai ketrong kabla Phet Krad na kete ke jaka hadian ke Jaintia. Kani ke Jaintia kalajia hakapor kumba Nongstoin Mynta ke janmit Sngi blay hasurak ba National Highway 6 Nongpoh Ri District. Yau niu Khlad latip kerteng kum u Christopher Dingdo ubasan post Snem kerta kat kum kejingit hu jongki paidbah ki basaki ya kete ke Jaintia laong bu u Christopher Dingdo udang persang banjam shashilang kesurok hajan mau kapya Nongpoh hindrai gawai ketrong kabahir state kala Tynrah eu bat Khlad no hashen na kejingmen saujur Mario jingtim halor kani ke Jaintia ki pulit ke Nongpoh traffic police kilalet mar shakte ke jaka bantok kit ya ke Jaintia bat bantuan bat labdin ya kete ke trong hadian kani lapin kit ya ke met jong Khlad civil hospital Nongpoh banle ya ke postmortem examination.
Suki.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Stem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Stem's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is Stems, our ride, our future.